Welcome. In front of me is a HUAWEI MatePad 11, and today I'll show you how to enable the power saving mode. And to get started, you will want to open up Settings. From here, navigate down to the battery section, and in here you'll find power saving mode. So simply toggle it on like so, and as you can see, our remaining battery went to like 35 hours from previously 28. So yeah. No, 27 now. So once you enable it, as you can see, you get extra battery life. Now there's also the performance mode, which will decrease your battery life and make the device run a little bit harder to have better performance. So yeah, it's exactly opposite of it, but if you want that, if you have some kind of need for it at one point, that's also where you find this option. And additionally, once you toggle power saving mode from here, also if you want to turn it off, you'll have to go back into the battery section and toggle it off from here. There is no toggle in here to turn it on and off for some reason, so you can see. And if you also try to add them, no power saving mode here. So that is the only way you can toggle it on and off. So anyway, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.